What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. And guys, we're gonna go over how to do a quick NFT on Digital. Guys, this is a follow-up video. We actually did a video on Digital. In my opinion, hey, time will tell on what will happen with this. But in my opinion, this is an undervalued project. Well, because guys, it's one-click NFTs and it's really easy to use. They finally launched their website. So we did get a somewhat of a sell-off, but buy the rumor, sell the news. That's normally how it goes. But anyways, we're going to show you guys how to create your own NFT, how to play around with it. There's also a tutorial you guys can walk through on that. Basically, all you got to do is connect your wallet. Already have mine connected. And you're going to hit create NFT like we just did. You can do a single, multiple. Single is basically just going to be like one item or like one painting. And then multiple is if it's going to be like a collection of items. So like if you want to do like a pair of digital sneakers or digital socks, etc. So let's do single. And literally all you got to do is we're going to do hot sauce upload. So we're going to do some fire sauce, man. All right. So there's our fire sauce. Yeah, get the bids on the NFT. I'm going to sell it for 1 ETH. And this is the service fee that you have. So I'm going to receive this much ETH. After content will be activated. Yes, so I'll keep it activated. And I can put whatever I want. So fire makes it hot. So this is what they'll get on their NFT. And then I can create an ERC721 or a Digital. I'm just going to use the Digital. The name, fire. Description, fire is fire. And then I want to say it's a meme, a sport. I'll say it's a meme. Then royalties. So this is whenever I sell the item. If I sell it to someone 10 times, 20 times, 30, well, if I sell it to someone once and they go out and sell it another time and they sell it 10 different times or someone else does, I get a royalty every time it's sold. So say I sell it for half an ETH and then someone goes and sells it for 1 ETH, well, I get 0.1 ETH when it's sold again because if I do 10%. So every time it's sold, that means I get a portion of it. That's why royalties are massive. And this is why NFTs are huge is because artists can constantly be getting paid and don't only get paid once they sell the item that one time. So crazy. So we'll do a 15% royalty on it. We'll see what happens. Properties. Fire. And then fire. Because it's fire. And then you literally, oh, okay, I guess it's equal to, less than equal to 100, so 15. I don't know why I did 115. And then create, connect your wallet. I'm going to do MetaMask. Then you literally hit create the item, sign the transaction, and pay the gas fee. And then you have your item all in your wallet. It's crazy. And then it's going to ask for the gas. And I'm not going to pay the fee because I don't want to make a fire NFT. But anyways, I'd rather keep my ETH. I already spent enough ETH on this channel, but then you approve it, sign, and that's how you create your NFT. Yeah, I'm sure I want to stop this process. So you can actually check out your Digital account. So you can go straight to your account, see your collectibles, what you have for sale, what you created, what you liked, and so on. You can edit your profile, change it up. In fact, we'll go ahead and change this for you guys. We'll make it Drake on Digital. Boom. Drake on, I will just call it DigiSquad as well. So copy this. And update profile. Bam. There's our profile. You guys can visit it if you want. If you guys see if I make the hot sauce fire packets and whatever, medium, mild, I don't know, whatever. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new video. You guys can also deposit some of your Digital here and link your wallet to it. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and we will see you in the next one. And as always, guys, smash the like, subscribe button, bell notification, and all. And we'll we'll leave you with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 28, verses 13. Whoever conceals their sins does not prosper, but the one who confesses and renounces them finds mercy. Guys, that's powerful. So a lot of times it's the first thing to understand you did something wrong and then ask for forgiveness. That's what we need to be looking to do, and keep that in mind, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. Alright, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Guys, I need you guys to do a couple things. Participate in the quadruple threat. First, set up a Celsius account. Here's a referral link. You guys can use it. Write it down. Type it down. Or you guys can use the link in the description below. Set up a Celsius account. Good for savings. Good for earnings. Don't bet the house on it though. But anyways, you guys can get a free bonus on this. Alright, how do I get this free bonus? Well, guys, enter in this link. You guys will get $30. Then deposit $200 in any cryptocurrency. Enter in new 40, like NEW 40 promo code. You guys can use both, and you'll get a total of $70. Guys, that's step one of the triple threat. Hey Drake, I did step one. What's step two? Alright guys, this is where you can get your small altcoin gems and little game changers. You guys can go to crypto.com. You can set up an account. Here's a link in the description below, or you guys can just type in this code right here on the screen. Deposit some funds in there. You get $25 in bonus crypto. You guys can use that to buy your altcoin gems and have some fun. Step two of the triple threat, or I'm sorry, quadruple threat. And the third one, this one is a fun one. Voyager. This one is more so where you can buy with limit orders. It doesn't have as many altcoins as crypto.com, but it's really easy to use, easy to set up, and yes, this one does come with a referral link as well, and you'll get $25 in BTC. This is how you can do a limit order. Super easy to use, and they don't charge any trading fees whatsoever. Here's the referral link. You can't copy and paste it, but you can look in the description to copy and paste, and you can put that in and set one up. 25 bucks. Step 4, open up a BlockFi account. Here's a link you guys can use. The reference code is 024FFE02. All the links are in the description below. Open up a BlockFi. Just deposit some funds and you'll get $30 in BTC. And you can also get that crypto cashback rewards card. Don't forget about that. Game changer, 1.5%. And the first few months, you get a bunch of extra percent. Check it out. This is the funnest one though. Lolly, free. There is a referral link to this one too. I've actually won 100,000 sats one time on one of the taps, which is worth like $100 in Bitcoin. So it's crazy. Look, and there's even proof in the wallet. Look at that, daily stack, 101. Guys, set one up. It's really easy to do. Download a Lolly account and just set it up. And of course, guys, if you guys are a pro, there's a link in the description so you guys can sign up with KuCoin and Binance US to get some trading fee discounts. Thanks.